This lesson is addition and subtraction of squares using boards number 3 and number 4. We can look on board number 3 and we can see that the board is laid out in a 16 by 16 grid with all of the squares down running on a diagonal from the top left to the bottom right. So we can look at the first column and the second column, and we can see there is a 1 and a 1, and when we multiply them, the intersection is 1 times 1. What we want to do with this board is we want to add squares, so we first have to find the squares and then add them. Using the order of operations, exponents comes before addition or subtraction, so therefore we have to do the squares portion of the problem first. So in the first example, we're going to do 3 squared plus 2 squared. So we find 3 times 3 is equal to 9, plus 2 times 2 is equal to 4, so 9 plus 4 is 13. We can also use this board with subtraction, and we can look at the question on number 8 where we have subtraction. We can look at 16 squared minus 10 squared. So 16 times 16 is 256. And then we subtract 10 squared, which is 10 times 10 is 100. So 256 minus 100 is 156. This is how we add and subtract using boards number 3 and number 4 for squares. And on the back side, if students want to practice without using the board or without having the board filled in, they can practice each one on their own, filling in the diagonals as they go along.